I'm a real employee. This is the badge I got when I walked into the Oakville head office 6 years ago.
I've been working at Ford for a year this July.
I've been at Ford for 8 years.
20 years at Ford.
I've been at Ford for 30 years.
Here's my badge, and here's my proof.
My pitch photo people make a lot of fun of. I've had that photo for probably almost 15, 20 years.
It was, a prerequisite to work at Ford to have the biggest mullet ever.
It was a triple barrel curling iron. It was the big thing back then.
I am third generation employee. My grandfather started as a technician at Ford, and this is actually one of his toolboxes. And to this day, I keep it in my toolbox.
The lady in the vehicle is my wife today, and we actually met working at Ford.
Well, my mom must have been a badass because she was rolling in a Mustang before I was born.
In my Ford Escape, one of my fondest memories is a road trip to the cottage with 4 teenage girls and my dog in the car.
What were you guys listening to?
Snoop Dogg.
I've gone off-roading in my truck. I've gone down a road that is considered the second most dangerous road in North America.
The time spent in the car with your family is like really special. It's like an emotional. Sorry, my daughter's back there, so.
Does it have a name?
Dora. Dora the Explorer? No? All right. But her name is Dora.
When I see other people driving Fords, I'm always peeking into the cars to see who's driving them. It makes me very proud that they've chosen a Ford.
Puts a big smile on my face because I know I had something to do with that car coming off the line. I have something to do with that car being someone's family car.
I'm proud to be a Ford employee. Whenever I see a Ford product on the road, I'm proud to be part of that company.